Question 1. What was the very first indie polish that you purchased? And the first true indie polish that I purchased was this beautiful dark pink holographic by 90, and it is in the colour Candy Apple. I absolutely love this polish. So Jess, if you by any chance watch this video, please never stop making this. It's absolutely gorgeous and I will definitely repurchase. And the second question is, what's an indie polish lemming that you want but have never been able to get your hands on? And that would be Gallifrey Lost by Danglefoot Nail Polish, an absolutely beautiful rich grey mauve with holographic dust within it. Question 3. Name an indie polish you bought because of a YouTuber. And this polish, Sacred by Ada's Nails, represents the whole Ada's Nails brand, which I hadn't heard of until Claire Gray showed it on her YouTube channel. And so Ada's Nails is an entire brand that I bought because of a YouTuber. Question 4. What is your favourite and least favourite type of indie polish? Brackets holo, multi-chrome, flaky, etc. So this polish by Emily DeMolly represents my answer to this question. It is Lost Direction, and I love multi-chromes, holo and flakies, and this polish has got a little bit of everything. So that's what I love about indie polishes, that they can be so complex and very unique. My least favourite type of indie polish can actually be also my favourite, depends on how I get on with it, but I have had some troubles with certain acrylic glitters. Some of them I just don't get on with on my nails. I love them on other people. But then again, I have recently bought Sprinkles by 90 Lacquer, which is acrylic glitter, and I absolutely love it. So I think there isn't really one type of indie polish that I don't like. Question 5. Name an indie polish that fits your personality to a T. This is High Inquisitor by Sparkly Nail Polish, and it's a beautiful pink with holographic glitter. It's actually very densely packed with glitter, this one, so the holographic is very strong on the nail. At heart, I'm actually quite a pink and sparkly kind of person, but High Inquisitor also seemed quite fitting. Any of my students who've been vivored by me might think that that was appropriate. So there we have it, me in a bottle. High Inquisitor by Sparkly Nail Polish. Question 6. What indie polish company do you wish you owned every bottle or collection from? So I couldn't just choose one, I'm afraid, for this answer. I really love Colours by Loro. They've done some absolutely beautiful polishes, and if someone was going to gift me the entire back catalogue, if you like, of CBL, then I would be one very happy bunny. I also really love a lot of the polishes by 90, but if we're talking realistically here, they're quite difficult to get the whole collections in the UK. It seems like only certain of them come across and stocked in stockists here. If you've watched Claire Gray's channel, you'll be aware of the problems that we have with importing and exporting nail polishes. So we can't really order them and ship them over to the UK because they're likely to get stuck in customs and destroyed. So we can only really buy from the stockists who import and stock indies from other countries. So 90, I would love to own a lot more of them. but they're quite difficult to get hold of in the UK. So if I look at UK indie polishes that I can more easily get hold of, one of the ones that I would love every one from is Wicked Polish. I love the range of polishes that they make with creams and multi-chromes and holographics and neons. The list just goes on. So I would really love to have every one of their polishes. Question 7. Name an indie polish that physically made your jaw drop when you saw it. So that would be this holographic version of Ophelia by Wicked Polish. Absolutely gorgeous. And as soon as this one arrived, I immediately ordered a backup bottle of it because I never want to be without this polish. Absolutely stunning. Question 8. What do you look for the most when you purchase an indie? Brackets, perfect formula, amazing colour, affordability. So unique with a good formula and fairly affordable would be my criteria. Finally, question 9. What direction would you like to see indie polish go in? I think that indie polishers are doing a fabulous job at producing unusual, unique polishes with good formulas, and also doing this being cruelty free. I only recently found out that some mainstreams don't do this, which really surprised me. If the indie polishers can do it, then why aren't mainstream polishers doing it? I really don't understand that. So indie polishers, you're doing fab. Just carry on doing what you're doing and we'll carry on buying your polishes. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to join in the tag, you'll see the questions listed below this video. Also, please check out those who've already done it.